Hi, Paivi. Welcome. So when we get the freezing winter weather around here, there is not many fun things to do. So I make my own fun. I wanted to make another icy creation. Check out the first one I made at the end of this video or down below. But this time, I wanted to make American flag out of ice because I love it here. I used my doggy kennel bottom pan for the mold because it was a good size. And I wanted to cover it up so the snow won't get to it. And luckily, it fit well in a trash bag. I cut and bent 3 wire hangers to keep the bag off the top. I boiled a bunch of water in hopes to make the ice more clear, which was total waste of time. So here it is, all frozen solid, and now I can take this off. I'm going to move it in front to another spot so I can finish it up. It is looking great. Nice, solid, frozen. So now I'm going to make some snow slushy to make some lines. So I'm using this spoon to do a bunch of dabbity-dab-dab-dabs and make these lines. It was easy to do. Didn't take long. And then I'm going to make these longer lines or stripes. So that was a whole bunch of more dabbity-dabs. It was time to mix up some colors. I am using non-toxic acrylic paint and I have no idea if this is even going to work. I'm gonna mix it, and it looks like blue sand. I didn't want this to be runny so it doesn't run off the edges. So let's see how this will look like. Okay, this looks good. And now I will spray it with water to set it. Then I'm going to do same with the color red. It was late by the time I got to making the red stripes, so I didn't get it all done that night. This is the next morning. It definitely was a bit time consuming, but the weather was nicely cold and crisp, so it was all good. Then I did many spray-on water layers. Looking great. I also cut out all the stars out of the thin cardboard. That was a little bit of pain in the buttocks. Then it was time to add the stars. I sprayed a little water, put the star on top, and it froze in a few seconds. And then I sprayed some more. I think it's looking mighty fine. Since my masterpiece turned out quite heavy, I needed to make extra pieces to hold it up. But then it got much warmer and I had a little rough time getting them to freeze up. I also needed to make the base for my creation. Those are the pieces I'm using at the bottom. And this is how it looks when ready. So all this took me a bit longer than I thought. And the day I was ready to set it all up, it was pretty warm and my masterpiece was melting away. I couldn't even get it up without the colors leaking all over the place. So this is how it looks. This is how the back with the lights looks like. I am not gonna lie, I was bumming a whole lot because my creation melted this way. I didn't even get to see it all up and pretty. What a bummer. I had much fun making it. It melted away in the next 2 days. Hey, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun ahead. Go and check out these videos right there, and I will see you next time. Bye! Stand up straight, relax, and speak. It's so easy. Nothing to it until you start speaking. And it all goes to hell.